bushels of fun.
Pabertil lo chon Engmah hi kan thei lo mo.
Jingle bell rock, jingle bells time and jingle bell time.
Dile ta sep me.
Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square in the frosty air.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes that glow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store, but the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door.